Welcome back to my channel. Oh, we've got some archers. Okay, let's say him thanks. T and X. We'll go for a live attack to Goblin Picnic, and we'll show some glitches after this attack, and we'll train this army. No, we don't train it. We'll remove this army again. We're removing. We need wall breakers. Only wall breakers. We're going to get some wall breakers. Some wall breakers. Not 10. 7, 8 wall breakers will work. Okay. We've got everything. Now let's go for a Goblin Picnic with this ice wizards. Let us see. Hello, 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 hello everyone. Hello, hello. Roto aito. আরে দিব দেখবো তো দাঁড়াও কি ও প্যারাডাইম বলেন চলে গেছে না The ice wizard didn't suck this time. Wow, I don't believe it. Haha. I don't believe that ice wizard worked this time. Now we will again attack this base, again attack it. Is this wall breakers ready? Yep. Where's the Goblin Picnic? We have to attack from these two sides. And শুধু শুধু চুপগুলা নষ্ট করাই দিলাম আমার দিয়ে না কেমন লাগে I'll train 16 wall breakers. No, 10 wall breakers is fine. Let's jam this army and again go for the Goblin Picnic. First we need to, why isn't this happening? This bleed, this hasn't bleed. Where are they going? They don't listen to me. This glitch failed then. It's a failing glitch. Sorry friends, you can watch this on YouTube on General Tony's channel. Sorry friends, this didn't work out. Sorry, I'm very wholeheartedly sorry for this. So goodbye. We'll be online. I will send a video in couple of hours. So goodbye. Your host Rafsan